girly girly.
Hi, girly girly.
I missed you.
I missed you.
You like being on the video?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're such a cutie pie.
You're the cutie pie.
Kids are in here playing with my Legos from when I was a kid.
Guys.
This is just creative Legos, man. No instructions, no models. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. That's awesome. I love it. What's up, beautiful people? We are at my mom's house. Yes, I do have a mom.
Yeah, a lot of you guys ask, like, what about Steven's side of the family?
Yeah.
We do show them on the vlogs sometimes, but I'm sure a lot of you guys don't watch every single one of our vlogs. But like when we first bought the house, they came, and I think that was one of the
He's like, I want to be seen.
See, we're at Nana's house. We're having so much fun.
Bye.
I love you guys so much. We have a really fun day planned. But we also have a surprise for Steven's mom. I'm really excited about this. We're gonna go, we're gonna do some like indoor, I think it's glow in the dark puppy golf.
Yeah.
And then take the kids to like their all-time favorite restaurant. When we lived here in Dallas, this was the kids' favorite.
It's so good.
I'm really excited to take him back, but first we want to surprise his mom with a special gift. So do you wanna go get it out of the car?
Yeah, let's go.
She is gonna love this so much.
She's gonna love it. So, okay, my mom and Steve have been building their consulting company for like a few years now, and it's just like non-stop work. So I wanted to try to do something that could just kind of take some of the workload off their shoulders and just give them a little bit of a break. So I'm so thankful to Ecovacs for sponsoring this video. They sent us the new D-Bot X1 Plus. Guys, this thing is the sickest intelligent vacuum. They use the same 3D intelligent mapping that you use for like self-driving cars, which is so sweet. It maps out like a 3D map of your house, so it knows where all the furniture is, it knows where all the carpet is, but it's also got like intelligent like clutter avoidance. So if there's like something on the ground that's not on the map, like it'll move around that, go all the way back to the dock and automatically empty the dustbin, which is sweet. That's one less thing to worry about.
Yeah, that's really cool.
I'm really excited to give this to her. You can go to Amazon.com, Ecovacs.com, get this one for yourself. I think she's gonna love it. All right, close your eyes. I'm gonna put it right here. Just maybe feel before you open it.
I don't think she's gonna get a feel for it. It's just the box.
You can open the eyes. You played practical. This is not a practical joke. Go ahead and open your eyes.
This is a good surprise.
This is a good surprise. Mop the house for you. 3D map the house for you, so it knows where all your furniture is, where your carpet is. It knows where there's clutter, and it does clutter avoidance. So like if Chloe drops something on the ground or whatever, not saying you would ever do that, Chloe, but if you did, it would actually recognize that because it maps it out with the same stuff that like self-driving cars use. So super sick. It'll scrub the floors. It'll do all that stuff. Basically, the design is that you don't have to worry about anything. I know you guys have been working so hard on building your business, and so this is just one thing off your list. Yes, ma'am.
And then if I drop something on the floor and it realizes, then it automatically turn on?
Well, here's what it can do. So it actually has this voice recognition system. So if you drop something on the ground and Nana sees that you did and she's working, she can just say, hey, go clean that up. And the vacuum will hear her and it'll go clean it up.
Isn't that cool?
Isn't that so cool?
That's pretty cool. Huh?
We always said growing up we wanted like a robot maid.
It is one.
Like the Jetsons.
There you go.
With these floors,
I know.
like everything.
I know.
It's so dark, you can see every
I
little
know,
thing.
man.
Yeah.
We had the same thing.
Yeah, so this is gonna come in real handy.
This will come in super handy.
Aunt Amanda.
Thank you so much.
You gotta name it, you know.
Yeah, gotta
You
figure
could
it
name
out.
it D-Bot. You could name it X1. You could name it whatever you want. But it's pretty sick looking, I think. What do you think, buddy? Pretty cool, huh? Love
Thank you
Mama.
so much.
I bet. I hope it helps with
Oh, me
some of the
too.
stress.
I know it will. I know it will.
One less
This
thing
is
to worry
like-
about.
This is like, I mean, we've actually been thinking about doing one of these
That's awesome.
and like looking at different ones.
It's a game changer for sure. Like having that kind of convenience.
That's awesome.
Who's ready to go do some putt-putt golfing? Indoor putt-putt golfing too, because this is Texas, so I'm gonna appreciate that. Do you have cereal?
He's got some cereal.
Let's go, guys. It's gonna be such a fun afternoon. Okay, guys, so we are headed to go pick up Kira because she is staying with a friend here in Dallas, like her
best friend.
her BFF from when we lived here. She is staying with her, but they wanted to come putt-putt golfing with us. So we're gonna go pick them up so that they can come with us. And we also realized that we forgot to clarify what we were doing at the beginning of the video. Steven's aunt and uncles and cousins, all of them live like really close within this whole area. And so last night we did this really cool concert in the park.
It was so good,
with
guys.
some of them,
It was a
and-
Beatles cover band.
Yeah.
And they were amazing.
They were so good. The weather cooperated. Lincoln was so happy because it was just music the whole time.
I was
And
singing
it was
along
such a
with
fun
every
night.
word.
Anyways, we're almost there to get Kira and her friend, and we're gonna have a delightful afternoon.
Thanks, dude. You're such a gentleman. Open the door. And you're a gentleman too.
Yep.
Thank you, my man.
Good job. That was good.
Who's that? That's you.
Ooh.
You ready to get some yummy bites?
Yes.
Yeah.
We're hungry.
Guys, we're at Babe's Chicken.
So I'm so excited.
This is like one of our favorite places on earth. Hands down, we used to eat here all the time when we lived up here. Look at that little hand. It's so cute. He's like, lead on! But we're super pumped. My sister is coming to meet us as well, which is gonna be great. And we're gonna feast ourselves on some chicken.
It's like one of our favorite restaurants. When we lived here, we bring the kids here, and they always just
Yeah.
been crazy about it. Best fried chicken and all the southern sides and all of that.
Ooh,
We're
doggy. This
excited.
is breaking my diet tonight for sure, but
Yeah.
it's okay. I worked
okay.
out hard today,
That's
so
okay.
we're good. delightful and delicious. And I am so happy to be able to hang out with you guys a little bit. Have a blast today. We're putt-putting, babes, just fun in general. Did you guys love my mom and sister? They're amazing.
We're so happy.
We don't get to see them very often, so we love when we do. It was a lot more often when we lived in Texas.
Yeah.
We're so glad that y'all are here.
We're gonna close this thing out. We love you guys so much. Hope you have a great time. We can't wait to see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, bye.
See ya.
See ya. That's a little bit of a new bye. He just loves it.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back